Hold on a second.
Huh?
What the hell? Yeah, that shit looks like it kind of come off track.
Oh shit. It's not even on track. Got him! Got him! Why?
Yeah, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Yeah, Clayton County, yeah, Clayton County, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby.
Yes, sir. Y'all see the view? Yeah, so we finna hit the trail. My dog came to scoop me again, you know. We making it happen. Somebody looked out for him, and he came and looked out for me, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, how we doing? But wait till y'all hear this motherfucker first. Hold up. Custom. Sir, that's when you know the car, man. There ain't no damn seat over here. You know what I'm saying? It's all good though. We bike light, man. We don't got no seat belts anyway.
I'ma pull this heat. Roam in your blunt, get lost in the wind. Shorty still going like cruise control. I ain't through no towel in. Money up like power intel. Deer stitch all in my denim. These custom made, you can't get these niggas. Do it on her back. I had to make her feel it. 20K, 30K, 40K, 50K, 60K. Let's play. All done, all done. Swinging for K, my label real. Checks in the bank from back and shit. Shorty still running, she buying the pills. Pick up that money, that bag for real. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. They do it.
We gonna do it.
I'm throwing cash up, picking it up off the floor tonight. I got 'em mad now. I'm right in the pit with the bottles of Sprite. Pick it up.
It smell like straight old folks, man. That's what you got in over there eating them baby onions. It must be good as fuck.
It's been straight old folks.
Going over there goddamn eating them bitches for real.
My boy got
Got him! Got him!
yes, sir. Make sure we recording. Oh, y'all can see you good as hell. All right, we'll be back. Come in and style.
You feel me? Just a little. I really ain't trying to do this.
Hey, my boy on the front of the bike with it. Yeah, we out here, man.
So we had to do the Hero 8 on him this time, you know?
Yeah.
GoPro Hero.
What happened? You about to be on the vlog. That's what happened.
Oh, no. This the bike channel that pulled up on you right here.
That's all good.
So we on 125 baby YouTube channel. She out here on the poly, you see it, but she out here. Hey. That's good. Gotcha. We in here live. And you see, he got the one on his chest, the one that you put on your chest.
Yeah, that was gonna make.
My neighborhood, bro, this got these hills that's so perfect, bro. You know what I'm talking about? The one, bro. When I first started riding the 250, I went back there. So of course
Yeah. Just got there feeling
you
it.
know they going. But now I wanna goddamn
Rip that bitch.
If it's for my vlog or some shit real quick, like.
Shit, let's do it. We got Mr. Big World Production down here.
Once you get the hang of it, it's better too.
Right.
Them all literally like,
Oh, you can see it?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
I got it on
It's got
that
like a screen on the back?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
little small screen.
Yeah,
As the day goes on, it just smell like this.
Yeah, I know.
Hey.
Yeah. You almost ran over my feet, bro.
That shit.
Really, nigga?
Jesus.
Oh shit.
Oh, fuck.
That goddamn thing.
That shit washed your front tire out, didn't it?
Hell yeah.
No, hell, we started ripping that bitch. Fuck.
Yeah, that's all like, dang.
No, the fucking lens.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That be no goddamn lens.
Here, hold it right there. Fuck it, man. Take that bitch right back out.
Take it. Get the fuck up out of here now. Don't be playing.
No, God! Yeah, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Yeah, Clayton County, yeah, Clayton County, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. I'm from Riverdale, shouted. Grew up with them Glock 40s. 17 got my first stick. 18 hit my first lick.